Hello, this is another vehicle space optimization example. Here we will explain how to create a new asset class. Asset class is what defines or helps explain the characteristics of a certain product or SKU. We can have primary and secondary classes. So the first step here is to log in, and we will see that we have the route section, the truck fill section, and the warehouse section, which is the one that we're going to click. We have classes, boxes, bays, and trucks, and we will go to the classes section. And here we have a list of primary and secondary classes. Both of them are empty. So we're going to create a new one. We're going to create a new primary class. We right click, we select new, and now here we can add a name as class and description. To the right, we have the types of variables that we can be incorporating into this class. The one that we use the most is the loading type, because these are the ones that help define how we're going to load these products onto the truck, onto the pallets, and then onto the truck. So for example, we have one, which is side loading. Side loading means that if the truck is divided into bays and there are two rows of bays, we have the ones that are to the pilot side and the ones that are to the co-pilot side. This is useful for loading and unloading, especially unloading. If we are going to do a certain route and the route streets are kind of narrow, then sometimes we need to unload in a certain position, be it the pilot or the co-pilot. So here we select side location, and then we can select co-pilot, for example. We go down, double click, and then we add the variable. We have other options too, but for this example, we only have one. So we click on save, and this saves the test class. If we want to see the list of all the rules, we can click on the rules section. We select this test class here, and we will see that this rule will be listed. In this case, the lateral location, which is truck side preference, it's a loading type, and it says that it's going to the co-pilot side. If we want to delete this class, we can also do it by selecting it and then clicking on delete. Right click, delete, and it erases the class. Thank you.